Mitsubishi Outlander ASX timing mark. This is a balance shaft. So the two mark there underneath there line up with a small one behind this colored code chain. And this colored code one here is the timing chain. You line up with that one. And the dowel, and this side here, it have the dowel. It have a dowel on this side here for the key dowel. And this side here, that line up with two other mark here that line up on the gear. And up the top here, you have the timing chain mark. There's a little dot on the top of the timing chain here. Let's see if I can see it. The light is not good. There's a color code on the chain, so you line it up with a little mark behind this gear. And this is the two mark for the timing chain, the timing gear. You line up these two mark just like those two small dots. You line up those two small dots. There's a small dot underneath this chain. So look underneath there, you see a small dot underneath that one. You line it up with the color code and the chain, this double color code, and the single color code line up at the bottom here with the small dot underneath there. If you look underneath there, there's a small dot. But the cylinder after the on TDC, top dead center, and the dowel, there's two marks at the dowel, line up this way. Yeah, line them up with this thing here. You see, once I just make sure the piston and TDC. What you can do, you can get a long screwdriver, put down in the plug hole like this, so you can feel that it's on TDC. And you have to take off all these cap. In order to lift this one, you have to lift it up and then slide the chain over and then put it back down. You see, so, and these lube will point in this way when it's on TDC. This lube, you see, it will point this way to that way. You see, so that's about it. Like, share, and subscribe.